Does language influence how we perceive reality? Imagine a world where the words you use shape how you see everything around you. Could the language you speak actually change your view of the world? From an anthropological point of view, language does play a role in how people interpret their experiences. But it does not completely lock in how we think or see things. This idea is called linguistic relativity. It suggests that the structure and words of a language guide what we pay attention to and how we organize our thoughts. For example, some languages assign gender to objects. Spanish and German do this, and speakers often describe these objects with traits that match their grammatical gender. A chair might be called she in one language and he in another, influencing how people think about its qualities. Another way language influences perception is through vocabulary. Russian speakers have different words for light blue and dark blue. They can tell shades apart more quickly than English speakers, who use one word for all blues. This shows that language can sharpen our ability to notice details in certain areas. But language does not completely limit what we can understand. Even if a language lacks a word for a concept, people can still grasp it. Some communities with limited number words for numbers can still understand quantities beyond those words. This shows that thought can exist independently of language. Language is also tied to culture and social life. How we speak reflects our identity and social roles. For example, the way gender is expressed in language can influence societal expectations and behaviors. Language and social reality are connected in a constant dance. Understanding how language influences perception helps us see how people create and share their worlds. It shows that language is more than just a way to talk. It shapes how we see ourselves and others. So, to answer the question directly, yes, language influences how we perceive reality. It guides what we notice, how we categorize experiences, and how we understand the world around us. But it does not completely determine what we can think or see. Instead, language and perception are intertwined, working together within cultural contexts to shape human experience.